This is 90 Seconds with AFS.
The Inflation Reduction Act introduced a three-step tax rebate for EV buyers that replaced an older, straightforward program, confusing nearly everyone. First, EVs qualify for incentives if they are assembled in North America. Second, buyers could receive a $37.50 tax credit if at least 40% of that battery's minerals are mined and or processed in the U.S. or a country that has a free trade agreement with it. That threshold will increase every year through 2027 and cap at 80%. Beginning in calendar year 2025, no battery minerals originating from a country of concern will be eligible to receive a tax credit. Third, EVs using North American-made battery components receive a $37.50 tax credit. In calendar year 2024, no battery components may be manufactured in a country of concern. IRA component requirements call for 50% of the battery's total component value to be manufactured in either the U.S. or a free trade partner beginning in calendar year 2023, rising to 100% by calendar year 2028. Finally, under the IRA's commercial vehicles exemption, commercial and leased vehicles are exempt from the battery mineral and component restrictions that EV purchasers must satisfy. The $7,500 tax credit goes to the leasing company, not the consumer, with no requirement that it will be used to lower the consumer's monthly payment. Additional vehicles will fall from the eligibility list as restrictions tighten. For more detailed information on this and the whole automotive industry, check out the Auto Forecast Monthly.